Hello students. In first part we have already seen the conversation between Swami Satyadev and Gandhiji. Now in the 30 number page, the second part will see Tasya Tadrashi Manodasham, means that the Swami Satyadev is saying that why should I remove my saffron clothes? And when the Gandhiji said this thing, so at that time the Swami Satyadev is having thought, मतलब वो एकदम deep thinking में चले गए कि why the Gandhiji is having said that Gandhiji said me the such kind of words. Now तस्य तादृशीं मनोदशाम, मतलब गांधीजी ने ये सब देखा. तादृशीं मनोदशाम मतलब उनकी जो मेंटल कंडीशन है, तादृशी मनोदशाम, मनोदशाम मीन्स मेंटल कंडीशन, मनोदशाम मेंटल कंडीशन, mental condition means having known the mental condition of Swami Satyadev. Avagamya means having understood. Avagamya means having understood. वो समझ गए गांधी जी. गांधी महोदय स्वकीयम आशय, आशय you know that आशय means intention. So स्वकीयम आशय स्पष्टम कर्तु, स्पष्टम कर्तु means explain his own intention. शांत भावेन means very peacefully. मृदु भाषाया च, मृदु भाषाया means polite language. So here the word मृदु भाषाया, polite language. Mrudu Bhashaya means polite language, means having the understood of the mental condition of Swami Satyadev, that the Gandhiji is say very calmly and very politely, swant swabhavena, and use the polite language. Mrudu Bhashaya cha Satyadevaya kathayat means say to the Swami Satyadev, Shunotu Bhavan, listen it very carefully, means Saudhanena Mansa. Saudhanena Mansa means attentive mind, means listen it very in your attentive mind. मतलब first you have to that अपने जो माइंड है उसको शांत करो और थोड़ा शांति से सोचो. Attentive mind, listen it this carefully. Vayam anyesham, anyesham means others. So here the word saudhanena manasa means with the attentive mind. Saudhanena manasam means with attentive mind. Anyesham, anyesham means others. Anyesham means others. So that the Gandhiji said to the Swami Satyadev, Shunotu Bhavan Saudhanena Mansa, listen it with your attentive mind. Vayam, we, Anyesham Sevam Kartum Pravruttaha Sma, means we are doing the serve means हम जो है वो दूसरों की सेवा करते हैं. We are doing the service of others. एता देवा अस्माकम means एतत plus देवा plus अस्माकम means this is not our aim, means एतत देवास्माकम देयम अस्ति, मतलब हम जो है वो दूसरों की जो सेवा करते हैं वो ही हमारा एम है. Means this is only our aim, that we are doing service of others. Bhavan janatye eva means Bhavan means you. Janatye eva means surely you know this thing. Yadasmakam deshe janaha means in our country the people kashaya vastran dharinah means the person who wear the saffron cloth is sannyasinah, means they are a sannyasi. सेवा कर्तुम सदैव samutsukaha. Samutsukaha means very eagerly. Means the person who is wearing the saffron cloth is that in our country you know very well that the person means in our country's people they are serve service to that person. मतलब जिसने भगवे कपड़े पहने हो, saffron clothes पहने हो, लोग उनकी हमेशा सेवा करने के लिए रेडी रहते हैं. तो here the word samutsukaha, very eagerly. Samutsuka, very eager, very eager. Samutsukaः भवन्ति यदा भवान् सेवा कार्याय प्रवृत्तः, means if you will start your service, मतलब तुम स्टार्ट करोगे, भविष्यति तदा काषाय वस्त्रधारिणं भवन्तं दृष्ट्वा, दृष्ट्वा means to see, एकतः means in the other side, ते भवतः means yours, सेवा कार्यं service, the work of service, न अंगीकरिष्यन्ति, will not accept. मतलब अगर तुमने ये सेफ्रॉन क्लोथिस पहने हैं तो वो लोग तुम्हारी जो सेवा है वो एक्सेप्ट नहीं करेंगे. सो हियर द वर्ड अंगीकरिष्यन्ति, विल नॉट एक्सेप्ट. अंगीकरिष्यन्ति, won't accept means they will not accept your service. So here that you know in our country people, the person who is wearing the saffron clothes, they are always ready to serve of that people. So how can they will get your service? So they will not accept your service. So aparatah means in the other side, te bhavatah seva kartum pravruttah bhavishyati, means in the other side they are only that ready to serve you, मतलब वो तुम्हारी सेवा लेने के बजाय तुम्हारी खुद की सेवा करने लगेंगे. So aparatah on the other side, सेवां कर्तुम प्रवृत्ताः भविष्यन्ति. प्रवृत्ताः भविष्यन्ति means they have motivated to you that if you are wearing a saffron cloth, so they are motivated by you and they have to serve to you only. अनेन किमा अस्माकं ध्येयस्य हानि न भविष्यति, means अनेन means by doing of this thing, मतलब वो लोग अगर तुम्हारी सेवा करने लगेंगे, so doing of this thing, किम अस्माकं ध्येयस्य means अस्माकं ध्येयस्य means of our aim. हानि means damage of our aim, मतलब ये जो है वो हमारा जो एम है उसको हानि नहीं पहुंचाएगा, मतलब they have not to damage our aim. संन्यासस्तु मनोगतः संकल्पः एव. संन्यासस्तु मनोगतः means that is in the mind. संकल्पः means mental resolve. एव मतलब जो संन्यास जो है वो हमारी जो मेंटल है, मानसिक स्थिति है, उससे आता है. तस्य परिधानेन सह means with the clothes. परिधानेन सह with clothes, संबंध मीन्स उसका जो क्लोथिस है उससे कोई संबंध नहीं है. मीन्स अगर आपको संन्यास चाहिए, सो इट इज कम्स इन योर माइंड ओनली, इट विल नॉट रिलेटेड टू योर क्लोथिस. कयापि दृष्टया न योग्यः means it is not a proper. Aham nishchit manye. Nishchit manye means undoubtedly, means my opinion is like this. Means the Gandhiji said to the Swami Satyadev, Yat kashaya vastrāṇam tyāgena sannyas tyāgah naiva bhavishyati. Means if you are removing the saffron clothes, so ऐसा नहीं है कि तुम जो संन्यास है उसको छोड़ दोगे. Means you will not remove your sannyas. अतः विचारयतु भवान. Please think it. विचारयतु भवान means please think in this matter. Tadantaram. Tadantaram means then after. Yadhogyam. Yadha yogyam means whatever tat karotu. Yadha yogyam tat karotu means after that, after thinking that you will do whatever is right. So yadha yogyam, what is right. So the word yadhogyam what is right, what is proper. After thinking, then you do whatever is right. Gandhi Mahodayasya etadrusham. Etadrusham means such kind of speech. Etadrusham, such speech. Such speech means the words, means having heard such kind of words of Mahatma Gandhi, Shrutva, listen, Swami Satyadevasya, it means Swami Satyadev's, Sanshaya means doubt of Swami Satyadev, Sanshaya means doubt, Tasmin eva kshane, means here also Sandhi is there, Tasmin plus eva, Tasmin eva kshane, means at that moment only. Vyapagataha. Vyapagataha means went away, means disappeared. So here the word vyapagataha, went away. Went away means at that time the doubt of the mind of that Swami Satyadev at that time disappeared. Saha Kashaya vastrāṇam tyāgam krutva means Swami Satyadev. Saha means he removed the saffron clothes. Seva karye atmanam yojayitum. Yojayitum means involve. So the word yojayitum involve. Yojayitum sannado bhavatah means that remove the, when the doubt is clear. So the Swami Satyadev removed the saffron clothes and ready to do the seva karya means service of the other people. So here the word sannodaha, sannodaha means ready. Means be ready. So at that time the Gandhiji cleared the doubts of Swami Satyadev. So this is a story which is written by Kaka Sahib Kalelkar in Gujarati and now it is translated and edited in Sanskrit. It is a very simple Sanskrit language it is given. I hope that you have to understand with the help of this word meaning and first read the story and try to understand the PDF of this lesson that I will share with you. Thank you.